5 years ago, Noori was twice as old as Sonu. Beta, ago means past tense or future tense?
Past tense.
Past.
Past tense. That is past tense, and from here जो ये was है ये भी हमें show कर रहा है कि we are talking of past. ठीक है? 10 years later, beta means past or future? बाद में. Yes, बाद में, which means future. Noori will be. Will be also shows that we are talking of future. Twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? बेटा ये जो R है, this is means which tense we are talking of. This R means which tense? Present.
Present.
Okay. So now in the age question, there will be three factors. One will be present age. Okay. Other will be past age. Then there will be future age. Suppose I am 10 years old today. Suppose. After 2 years or 2 years later, could you please tell me my age?
I'm 12.
What are we doing after 2 years?
Plus
or
2.
2 years? We are adding. So present to future move करने के लिए what shall we do? Add. Okay. If I want to know what was my age 3 years ago, can you tell me?
I'm 7.
3 years ago. 7. How did you do that?
I'm minus 3.
Present minus 3. So if you want to move from present to past, you will subtract. If you want to move to future from present, you will add. Is it okay, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The basic concept we have to keep in mind. In the age question, we will be asked about present age. We will have to find present age. And we will be given relation for the past and the future. So we'll keep the simple logic in mind that from present to future, we need to add. And from present to past, we need to subtract. Is it okay? Now let us look at the people in the question. We are talking about two people, Noori and Sonu. So let me say Noori's present age, let it be X years. And Sonu's present age, let it be Y years. Simple, हमने ये define कर दिया. Now let's read the question from the beginning. 5 years ago. Ago means
Minus
past.
Past.
साल पहले. If today she is X years old, 5 years ago, what would be her age? What would be
X
her age?
minus 5. X minus 5.
X minus 5. And what was the age of Sonu 5 years ago? If today he's Y, I don't know
I
what
minus 5.
I minus 5.
Very good. Is that okay? So minus हो गया because we are talking of 5. 10 years later, 10 साल बाद, we are talking of future. If today Noori is X years old, after 10 years she would be
X plus 10.
Plus 10.
That's it. And how old will be Sonu after 10 years?
Y plus 10.
10.
Plus. Is it okay till here?
Yes.
Now let us understand the equation which is going to be formed. 5 years ago, Noori. 5 years ago, Noori. What was the age of Noori 5 years ago? Can you tell me from here?
X minus 5.
X minus 5.
This is changing to X minus 5. I will suggest you to make the similar underlines and changes in your question also, so that you understand. Is, was, will be. ये तीनों किसमें change हो जाता है in the statement problem? These three changes to which sign?
Plus minus.
Is, was, will be. Which sign will come here?
Minus.
Ma'am, was में minus.
Equal to.
I'm equal to.
Equal to. So X minus 5 was is equal to thrice. Thrice means 3 times.
3 times.
किसका 3 times? सोनू का. And what was Sonu age 5 years ago?
Y minus 5.
So can you tell me the first equation from here?
X minus
X
5
minus
is equal
5 is equal to 3 into Y minus 5.
And this 3 and y minus 5. Y minus 5 should be put in brackets. Is that okay, children? Yes?
Yes.
Are you with me? Yes. 10 years later, 10 saal baad. What is the age of Noori 10 years later? If you can tell
X
me.
X plus 10
X plus 10. Will be changes to
equals
Equal
to
to.
equals to. What? Twice. As
Done.
old as.
2
What is Sonu after 10 years?
y plus y plus
And twice. So what is the next equation we are going to get?
X plus 10 is equal to y, 2 into Y plus 10.
Now we will simplify these two equations, solve them for x and y to get the value. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, this is all rough work. I just did it to explain it to you. I will appreciate if you all can just note it down in a box as rough work, because अभी आपको समझ आ रहा होगा बेटा, but when you will revise after 1 month or after a year for your exam, then the concept should be clear to you that how it is happening. So this is all rough work for your understanding, past, present, future. You can do it like this. Do the changes and underlining in the question part also for the better understanding. Then I'll give you the neatly for the solution of it. So children, now let's say Noori's present age be X years. We have to mention the word present because there are 3 different kinds of ages involved. So we need to mention that X and Y are which ones. So we have taken the term present age. X years and of Sonu be Y years. Now according to question, what do we get? 5 years ago wala, that is X minus 5 equal price is 3. Sonu would be Y minus 5. So it's clear from the statement only, right? Which gives me X minus 5, open the bracket, 3 into 5.
3y minus 15.
Now beta bring 3y this side, take number that side. So that gives me G, which is X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is equation number 1. Okay. And the another one is 10 years later. So it is X plus 10. Twice is 2. Sonu is Y plus 10. Okay. Let us simplify this as well. So X plus 10 is equal to 2y and 2 into 10, 20. Bringing Y this side. X minus 2y is equal to 20. Taking 10 that side, minus 10. Which gives me X minus 2y is equal to. Children, can we solve 1 and 2 now? Simplify it for X and Y. Can we do that?
Yes.
क्या करूं? Should I add or subtract?
Subtract.
Subtract.
So if I just subtract them, change of sign minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. So X and X cancel. Minus 3y plus 2y. What does it become, beta?
Minus y.
Minus 10.
Minus 10 minus 10.
Minus 10.
Minus 20.
Me. Y is equal to 20. Put in any of the equations. Shall I put in 1 or 2?
Ma'am, 2.
Okay, let us take care of 2. From 2, I'm short of space, but you do neatly in your register. From 2, X is equal to 10 plus 3y. So 10 plus 3 into 20.
Ma'am, 10 plus 2y.
2y, sorry. 2 into 20 is 40. So 40 plus 10, 50. So what is Noori's present age we are getting?
Ma'am, 50.
Noori's present age is 50 and Sonu's present age
20.
20. So just let us just write it down. Please do mention unit as well. Don't just write 50 but 50 years. 50 years. Sonu's present age is 20. Because would you like to check whether the answer is correct or not? Take minute, take sakte hain. It will just take a minute and we will be able to cross check whether our answer is correct or not. Please look. Please listen. We are given 5 years ago. So if today she is 50, 5 years ago she would be
40.
Ma'am, 45.
45. Sonu is 20. 5 years ago he would be.
15.
15.
What is the relation between 15 and 45? Is it 3 times?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This right? Another one. 10 years later, he will be 60. She will be 60. Sonu will be 30.
30.
Is it giving you toys?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it satisfying?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this way, orally, mentally, you can check it out orally and you will get to know that whether your answer is correct or